Hello, everyone. It's Monday, May 4th, and welcome to our Pearson Clinical Assessment video newscast. My name is Tina Eichstadt, speech-language pathologist and senior product manager in Washington State.
I'm Nancy Castilleja. I'm also a speech-language pathologist and senior product manager, and I'm in San Antonio, Texas.
We have 4 news items to share with you today. First, new digital assets being released on Qglobal. The close of last week brings free access to more digital assets in the resource library on Qglobal. This includes an updated WASTE STIM book, the BOT2 manual, and the Western Aphasia Battery revised stimulus books. Guidance about how to use our assessments for our remote administration is also available on our Telepractice landing page, pearsonassessments.com/telepractice. On the Telepractice webpage, you can access a complete list of free digital stimulus books and manuals, find information on how to access Qglobal if you are a new user, and once in Qglobal, how to access the digital materials. Click on the Newsroom tab to view the video, Qglobal Deep Dive, Accessing Free Digital Assets. Our second news item today is an invitation to register now for a Q&A session about telepractice for SLPs. Join Nancy and me on Thursday, May 14th from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time for a live webinar, Assessment via Telepractice, Office Hours for SLPs. Topics will include practical questions that we're getting from all of you, as well as updated guidance documentation for various assessments. This online session will include Q&A, so please bring your questions to place in the chat box. We hope you join us.
Our third headline is that we have a new video available showing how to use Qglobal to access digital materials in the resource library. Pearson will offer a recorded webinar called Using Qglobal to Access Digital Materials and Administer Assessments in Telepractice Settings. This 1-hour session includes telepractice considerations, an overview of the Qglobal platform, and how to access the free digital resources. In addition, we'll demonstrate a remote on-screen administration. As you may know, we have 2 digital platforms, Qglobal and Q Interactive, and our fourth headline is that we have a new video available now to show using Q Interactive to deliver assessments remotely. This 15-minute session will provide considerations when using Q Interactive to administer an assessment in a telepractice setting. You'll also be provided with a Q Interactive telepractice setup checklist and guidance for administering an assessment. Those are the headlines of the day. Thanks for joining us.